7.3 Section Formula. We shall now learn the section formula. When any point divides the line segment in a given ratio internally, to determine the coordinates of that point, we have to study section formula. Internal division of line segment. If P is any point on the line segment AB, then P divides segment AB internally. Here, the point P is between the points A and B. Hence, P divides segment AB internally in the ratio AP is to PB. In this case, the ratio in which P divides segment AB is taken as positive. Section formula for internal division. The coordinates of the point which divides a line segment AB joining the points A x1, y1 and B x2, y2 internally in the ratio m:n are given by mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n and ny2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. This is called the section formula for internal division. Let us see how to derive the section formula. Let point A x1, y1 and B x2, y2 be any two points. Point P divides segment AB internally in the ratio m:n. Therefore, AP upon PB is equal to m upon n. Let us draw perpendiculars from A, P and B on the x-axis. Let C, Q and D be the feet of these perpendiculars. The coordinates of point C are x1, 0, of point Q are x, 0 and of point D are x2, 0. Since segments perpendicular to the same line are parallel to each other, segment AC, segment PQ and segment BD are parallel to each other. Therefore, by property of intercepts by three parallel lines, CQ upon QD is equal to AP upon PB. But AP upon PB is equal to M upon N. Therefore, CQ upon QD is equal to M upon N. We know that by distance formula, CQ is equal to x minus x1 and QD is equal to x2 minus x. Therefore, x minus x1 upon x2 minus x is equal to m upon n. Therefore, n into x minus x1 is equal to n into x2 minus x. Thus, we get nx minus nx1 is equal to nx2 minus mx. Therefore, nx plus nx is equal to nx2 plus nx1. Taking x common, we get m plus n into x is equal to nx2 plus nx1. Therefore, x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. Similarly, by drawing perpendiculars from points A, P and B on y-axis, we can get the relation y equal to my2 plus my1 upon m plus n. Hence, the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points A, x1, y1 and B, x2, y2 internally in the ratio m:n are given by mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n and my2 plus my1 upon m plus n. This formula is valid for any position of the points A and B. Application of section formula. Midpoint formula. By using the section formula, we can get the coordinates of the midpoint of a segment. If P x, y is the midpoint of the segment joining the points A, x1, y1 and B, x2, y2, then m is equal to n. Since m is equal to n, x is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. Thus, the coordinates of point P are x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y1 plus y2 upon 2. We shall now solve a few examples. Find the coordinates of the point P which divides segment AB internally in the ratio m:n, where the coordinates of point A are 2, -5. The coordinates of point B are -3, -7 and the ratio m:n is 3:5. Let P be x, y. By section formula for internal division, x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. Substituting the values, we get x is equal to 3 into -3 plus 5 into 2 upon 3 plus 5. This simplifies to 1 upon 8. Y is equal to my2 plus my1 upon m plus n. Substituting the values, we get y is equal to 3 into -7 plus 5 into -5 upon 3 plus 5. This simplifies to -23 upon 4. The coordinates of P are 1 upon 8 and -23 upon 4. Let us solve one more example. In what ratio does the y-axis divide the segment joining A 3, 5 and B -6, 7? Find the coordinates of the point of division. Let point P x, y divide segment AB internally with the ratio m:n. Since point P lies on y-axis, its x-coordinate is 0. Therefore, the coordinate of point P will be 0, y. By section formula for internal division, x is equal to mx2 plus mx1 upon m plus n. Substituting the values, we get 0 is equal to m into minus 6 plus n into 3 upon m plus n. Therefore, 0 is equal to minus 6m plus 3n upon m plus n. So 0 is equal to minus 6m plus 3n. Therefore, 6m is equal to 3n. Therefore, m upon n is equal to 3 upon 6, which is equal to 1 upon 2. This means the y-axis divides the line segment with the ratio 1:2. Now, we know that m upon n is equal to 1 upon 2. By section formula, y is equal to my2 plus my1 upon m plus n. This is equal to 1 into 7 plus 2 into 5 upon 1 plus 2, which is equal to 7 plus 10 upon 3, which is equal to 17 upon 3. Therefore, the coordinates, the point of division are 0, 17 upon 3. Let us solve one more example. If the coordinates of point A are 20, 10 and the coordinates of point B are 0, 20, find the coordinates of the points which divide segment AB into 5 congruent parts. Let P, Q, R and S be the points of division dividing segment AB into 5 equal parts. Here, AB is congruent to PQ, is congruent to QR, is congruent to RS, is congruent to SB. Therefore, AB is to PB is equal to 1:4. Let the coordinates of point PB, x, y. By section formula for internal division, x is equal to 1 into 0 plus 4 into 20 upon 1 plus 4. This is equal to 80 upon 5, which is equal to 16. Also, by the section formula, y is equal to 1 into 20 plus 4 into 10 upon 1 plus 4, which is equal to 12. So, the coordinates of point P are 16, 12. Let the coordinates of point R be x1, y1. Since R is the midpoint of segment BD, by midpoint formula, x1 is equal to 16 plus 0 upon 2 and y1 is equal to 12 plus 20 upon 2. Therefore, the coordinates of R are 8, 16. Let the coordinates of point Q be x2, y2. Q is the midpoint of line segment PR. So by the midpoint formula, x2 is equal to 16 plus 8 upon 2, which is equal to 12, and y2 is is equal to 12 plus 16 upon 2, which is equal to 14. Thus the coordinates of Q are 12, 14. Let the coordinates of point S be x3, y3. Since point S is the midpoint of line segment RB, by midpoint formula, x3 is equal to 8 plus 0 upon 2 and y3 is equal to 16 plus 20 upon 2. Thus the coordinates of S are 4, 18. The coordinates of points which divide segment AB into 5 congruent parts are 16, 12, 12, 14, 8, 16 and 4, 18. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining 6, 3 and -4, 5 in the ratio 3:2. Solution is as follows. Here x1, y1 equal 6, 3. x2, y2 is equal to -4, 5. M is equal to 3. N is equal to 2. Let the point of division be x, y. Now, x is equal to mx2 plus mx1 upon m plus n. Therefore, x is equal to 3 into -4 plus 2 into 6 upon 3 plus 2. Is equal to -12 plus 12 upon 5. Is equal to 0 upon 5. It is equal to 0. Y is equal to my2 plus my1 upon m plus n. It is equal to 3 to 5 plus 2 into 3 upon 3 plus 2. It is equal to 15 plus 6 upon 5, which is equal to 21 upon 5. Thus, the point of division is 0, 21 upon 5. In which ratio does P 4, 5 divide the line segment joining A 2, 3 and B 7, 8 internally? Solution is as follows. Let the point P divide segment AB in the ratio lambda is to 1 internally. Here lambda is greater than 0. Therefore, x coordinate of P is equal to lambda x2 plus x1 upon lambda plus 1. Here x1 is equal to 2, x2 is equal to 7, x is equal to 4. 4 is therefore equal to lambda 7 plus 2 upon lambda plus 1. Therefore, 4 lambda plus 4 is equal to 7 lambda plus 2. Therefore, 4 lambda minus 7 lambda is equal to 2 minus 4. Therefore, minus 3 lambda is equal to minus 2. Therefore, lambda is equal to minus 2 upon minus 3, which is equal to 2 upon 3. Thus, P divides segment AB internally, ratio 2:3. If x, y the midpoint for line segment joining 3, 4 and k, 7 and lies on for line 2x plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. Then find k. Solution is as follows. X, y is the midpoint of line segment joining 3, 4 and k, 7. X is equal to 3 plus k upon 2 and y is equal to 4 plus 7 upon 2. Therefore, 2x is equal to 3 plus k and 2y is equal to 11. Now, 2x plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, 3 plus k plus 11 plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, k plus 15 is equal to 0. Therefore, k is equal to minus 15.